there's nothing to help. Watch me run by, one. Oh my God.
Hey mommy, can Bruno come to the party? We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day.
It was our wedding day.
We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
No clouds allowed in the sky.
Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin.
Thunder!
You tell him the story, or mine.
I'm sorry, Mommy Bird, go on.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
What did he tell us?
In doing so, he floods my wings.
Baby Pooh, get the umbrellas.
Married in a hurricane.
That was just a dream, but anyway, we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Hey, Bruno live in fear of Bruno fluttering or flying. I can always hear him sort of crying and whining. I associate him with the sound of broken toys. Smash, smash, smash. It's a heavy lift with an attitude so humbling. Always left Kaylee and the family fumbling, grumbling with prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand?
7-foot bird rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
He told me a fish would die. The next day, did.
No.
He told me I'd fail the test, and just like he said.
No.
He said that we are really rich, but we are not.
Your fate is sealed with anything he says. He said he'd steal our toys, and guess he did.
No. He said the Baby Bird's painting was bad, but it wasn't. He annoyed me every day, and it's hurting my head.
No. Your fate is sealed with everything he says.
He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my talent would grow like the flowers that bloom on the vine. Alex is on his way.
He told me that the goal of my dreams would be just out of reach. Never be famous. It's like I hear him.
Hey baby bird, I want not a sound out of you.
I can hear him now. Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno.
Baby bird, your boyfriend's here.
Bruno lives in fear of Bruno fluttering and flying. I can always hear him sort of crying and whining. I associate him with the sound of broken toys. Smash, smash, smash. It's a heavy lift with an attitude so humbling. Always left Kaylee and the family fumbling.
Talk about Bruno, no.
We don't talk about Bruno.
Why did I talk about Bruno?
Not a word about Bruno.
I never should have brought up Bruno.